and my miniaturized mini-mobile shall go rob the Bank of America. Because I, Dr. Col Schmidt, shall rule the world robbing banks. Ah ha 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 ha.
Tennessee Smith here in front of this black Chevy spy truck in front of the Santa Paula Bank. I don't know what Col Schmidt thinks he's doing by robbing this bank, but it's all not in his best interest. I will find this Col Schmidt and I will stop him from doing what evil deed he plans to do at this Santa Paula car show. Tennessee Smith here, leaving the Santa Paula Bank. I did not see Col Schmidt in there. He must have seen me and gone running in fear from my mighty whip and fist, fighting fist, away from this nice car show with a bicycle that just went behind me. So now it is a biking car show. Or is that Col Schmidt leaving on a bike? We shall see.
Aha! It is Traitor Jim's Traitor Mobile, and he just got married. Well, good thing Dr. Professor Smith is... Oh wait, is that his reflection? I don't think it was. That would have been bad. I do not want to be caught by Dr. Schmidt. That was so close. Oh no, there he is.
Smith in front of this black mafia, Trader Jim mafia mobile. And as you can read, if you can read, if you're old enough to read, you clearly see that Trader Jim just got married. To whom? I don't know what or where or to whom. I have a better question. What is his wife? And wait, Professor Brian actually just got married, so that may not actually be Mafia Trader Jim's, Traitor Jim's Mafia boss car, so that actually may be Brian's car, because he just got back from Hawaii. So, yeah. The more you know about vehicles and your friends' vehicles and motorcycles that go by, I'll be back.
Aha! I am once again in my miniaturized mini-mobile, and I, Col Schmidt, shall send my goon yeah, whatever her name is. But she's not a professor, and she will go rob the bank for me. I'll be back with my goon. Screw you, Dr. Smith. You suck.
Tennessee Smith here in front of this nice blue vehicle. I've never seen it at the Ventura. Why do I keep saying Ventura? It's the Santa Paula car show, but I've never seen this car at the Santa Paula car show. They typically have the same people coming in the same cars, but I like that this new blue classic car is at the Santa Paula classic car show. Tennessee Smith and in front of another blue Chevy Bel Air. Another 1955 Chevy Bel Air, which is also in front of this black Chevy Bel Air with Elvis Presley. Hi Elvis Presley, I love your music. Well, he clearly appreciates that I like his music. Tennessee Smith with Elvis Presley. The epic team up of a century. Tennessee Smith in front of another blue and black Chevy Bel Air with flames, which I will get when I flip the camera and show you. Be right back. Tennessee Smith here, and the Chevrolet Bel Air 1955 Elvis and Rocket Man Club are here to stop Col Schmidt. After we stop Col Schmidt, we and Elvis Presley's blonde bimbos will go have a very fancy soiree at my place, or my mansion. Either that or Elvis Presley's mansion. I forget where it is, but at his mansion. Tennessee Smith out. Tennessee Smith here. I meant to flip the camera and record this car in front of me, but behind the camera. I have genius intellect of camera work. Or do I? That's why I have Brian, because I am a genius at finding classic vehicles, but not filming. But he, Professor Brian, has just been married and on his honeymoon, or just getting back from his honeymoon, like I said before, because I guess his car is back because it just got married. His car just got married, like him. So this is the car I was talking about. It's silver and dark silver, or gray, like gray and dark gray, but more silver and gray. That's a good color. Two-tone cars are the best kind of cars. Get a two-tone car with white wall tires. It's the classiest of all cars. Tennessee Smith. Now, Tennessee Smith here in this hold-on motorcycle in front of this beautiful white Thunderbird. Not as frightening as a P38 Lightning. Very, very frightening. Because this is a very classy car to drive. Tennessee Smith out. Tennessee Smith in front of a beautiful 1947 Cadillac. It's beautiful, but not two-tone, but still beautiful. Like I said before, the classiest of all cars are two-tone, or have two different colors and white wall tires. And that is the kind of classic car that will attract a prime, wonderful to walk. Tennessee Smith here in front of this fabulous Chevrolet delay. What we're delaying for, I don't know. And why we're delaying, I don't know. It's a good question that I must figure out. Tennessee Smith here on Love Bug Corner, or rather Volkswagen Corner. I don't know why they're called Love Bugs, because they were invented by Hitler, the Volkswagen. So more like the hate mobile. Yeah. So obviously black love bug. So that means to me Col Schmidt is still afoot, and I must find what he's doing here. What no good crimes he's committed within Santa Paula, California.
Good, it is I, Col Schmidt. Let the heat flow through. And my fleet of heat bombs. Very good, wait, white, that one, white. I only drive black, not blue, not white, only black vehicles. Because black is the color that I drive.
Tennessee Smith in front of my high-performance, high-velocity, hot rod Chevy Bel Air, in which I will catch Col Schmidt and his no good crimes of no goodness. Tennessee Smith on Catching Crime on Friday night, Motor Pool Monday.